Welcome to AC Tech Hub. We proudly present our Oracle SBC 20 Days course. Registration is now open. Master session border controllers with industry experts. This comprehensive 20-day hands-on training covers Oracle and Acme Packet SBC from basics to advanced levels. You will gain real-world skills in configuration, security, and troubleshooting. Designed for network engineers, VoIP specialists, and administrators. Upon completion, you receive a certificate from AC Tech Hub. In this course, you will learn the overview of Oracle Acme SBC architecture, installation of the SBC on both hardware and virtual platforms, management access configuration, understanding the full configuration tree, and working with realms, SIP interfaces, session agents, and session groups. You will also master security best practices and certificate management, advanced troubleshooting techniques, practical tips and tricks from real-world scenarios, participate in interactive Q&A sessions, and complete hands-on labs throughout the entire course. Here is the complete curriculum. 1. Overview of Oracle Acme SBC. 2. Installation of SBC. 3. Management access configuration of SBC. 4. Configuration tree. 5. Realm, SIP interface, session agent, and session group. 6. Security and certificates. 7. Troubleshooting. 8. Tips and tricks. And finally, 9. Q&A. Register now for the Oracle SBC 20 Days Intensive course. Seats are limited. Contact AC Tech Hub today for registration details and start mastering Oracle Session Border Controllers with confidence. Thank you for watching. This is AC Tech Hub, empowering engineers with expert training. We look forward to seeing you in the course.